Friday after Christmas. I am at the studio. I have a few clients. Come with me, set up. I would be lying right now if I didn't say that I was not excited to take all my Christmas stuff down. And I think that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I dropped you, I'm so sorry. Very Grinch-like of me. I've got this basket that I'm gonna swap for that basket just because it's more aesthetically pleasing. She cute. This is running out, so I got this for Christmas and I'm gonna restock it. And it smells so good. Just gonna soak that in a little bit. My cute little corner. Me. So my first client is a regular and I give her heat from glazed, and I do some of my wildflower. So this is my little mixed concoction for my first client. Oh, love that. My second client, which I'm already going to mix as well because I have some back-to-backs. She uses Mount Baker